Mister's yelling. We're gonna see if the Seagull girl comes back. Did you guys chase her off? You guys chased her off. Where did the Seagull girl just go? You guys, you chased her off right before I filmed. You chased her off. Where did the Seagull girl go, you guys? You chased her. Mister, good job, Mister. Good job, Mister. Wake up, everybody, it's 6 a.m. It's 6:40 a.m. on a Saturday and I'm doing this. Hi guys. Good morning, everybody. This one right here coming up right now, that one's really thin. Her wings are outward a little bit. I don't know if you'd be able to see. It's not a very good close-up shot. But her wings are set a little bit outward, and it might just be the way she's walking right now though. Have a nice day, Mister. Mister's flying away. Guys, where's Disabled Girl? What did you do? Okay guys, just a couple more bites and that's it. Have a nice day, you guys. This is the couple that, if you live here, sits right up on that building. Mister is on that tall piece, and these two are on them. I believe they're from the middle, but they might be the ones from the end. How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Saturday. I swear her wings are not sitting right. Is she just... Cars coming out, cyclists coming. Have a nice day, you guys. And Mister just went on that roof up there. Mister, do you have Disabled Girl with you? I don't know where Disabled Girl is.